Hey beauties, welcome back. So to start off with this smoky winged out eye look, I'm going to be taking the Jaclyn Hill palette and just taking this brown shade. Honestly, you can use any brown, like a neutral, that kind of just suits your skin tone. I'm just using this as sort of like a base so my eye doesn't look completely pale. And I'm just going to kind of blend that from the crease up to the brow bone and just lightly pat it onto my eyelid. Now I'm going to be taking this eyeliner from NYX, and this is waterproof. Doesn't have to be waterproof, but this is the one I'm using. And honestly, eyeliner is not my forte. It's not my strong suit. I still struggle with it sometimes. But the good thing about this look is it doesn't have to be completely perfect because we're going to smoke it out towards the end. Now we're gonna clean up the mess I made because every time I do the inner corner of my eye, I always get eyeliner on the bottom. So I'm just taking my makeup wipe and removing that. And now I'm attempting to do my left eye. You can see that I did not like it, so I wiped it off and I just ended up redoing it. It happens quite often, but the thing is there's not really any eyeshadow underneath, so it's okay if you make a mistake because we have a neutral color underneath. So I'm going to be taking this makeup brush and using the black eyeshadow from the Jaclyn Hill palette. You can use any shadow you choose, and I'm just using this one. And I'm going to be smoking that out on top of the wing and just lightly feathering it up towards my lid. I'm not going to make it too thick, but if you want to make it thick, you can make it as thick as you want. And we're going to kind of keep the shape of the wing by using this small brush. You don't want to use anything bigger. It's just going to take away from the wing and you're just going to keep blending and blending. It is a little bit of a process, but I promise you it will look really good in the end. Now you already know, after all of that blending, I'm gonna apply my favorite mascara from L'Oreal, the Carbon Black one. Now I'm just going to take one of my favorite pairs of lashes from Morphe in the style Glambassador and popping those on. And I'm going to be taking that same brush with the black shadow and just smoking out the bottom of my lash line. Complete this eye look, I'm taking some mascara and applying it to my bottom lashes.